Today we are making Kooky Kazoos. What are you waiting for? Let's make some noise. Kazoos are instruments, and they use vibrations to create a sound. You're gonna need a few items to build your kazoos: popsicle sticks, rubber bands, and straws. So let's sandwich our rubber band around our one popsicle stick. Take one of your straws that you cut, maybe about an inch, put it underneath the rubber band on one side, put it over the rubber band on the other side, and then sandwich in your kazoo, just like that. Rubber band the outside to keep that straw in place. Now all you need is some air to create a vibration. Try different size popsicle sticks or even different size rubber bands. And remember, until next time, keep learning full steam ahead.